is the moment that I left one day, while the sun was dawning was seas of May. It was a magic sunset in a beautiful place. It was the sign of a world we did forget. A big crowd in silence, just confused, while the orange colors left behind the blues. They buried their feet, raising up their hands. They started to bathe their fears in golden rays. When you say goodbye, falling from the sky, I don't know what to do. Cause it comes the night, how peace will dry.